Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how we can add share buttons to your Wix website. So the first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on a link. When you will do it, you will get on this site called L-Site. L-Site is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is share buttons. So go to right top corner, sign up for free, and you want to sign with your Gmail, Facebook, or normal mail. It's completely up to you. And when you got it, click login. Right here, you're going to be in applications, and here you just want to write share. And here you're going to have Facebook share buttons, social share buttons, and this is what we're looking for. So let's create a widget. Now you want to go with the inline, floating, or share icons. I'm going with the share icons or small buttons. Continue with the template. Now we just add here the Facebook. You can add multiple sites here, like LinkedIn even. You can change the layout or buttons. If it's floating, you just add here and you pin to screen so it's floating all the time. I'm going to have an inline. Let's click save. Right after, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you're going to have 5,000, 50, or 5 million views, go with the basic, pro, enterprise, or choose annual plans. Let's copy the code here. And now in Wix, click plus, empty widget. Make it like this, enter the code here and paste the code. And voila, this is how we do it. So you can add it where you want to. You can add it like here, where you really want. And then people are going to click on it, and this is how you can easily add share buttons. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. So have a great day and goodbye. See ya.